Solve the inequality 11 minus 6x is greater than or equal to 23. And so that's what we have. 11 minus 6x is greater than or equal to 23. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take 11 and we're going to send it over the inequality sign. So we take 11 and we send it over the inequality sign. And so what we have now is negative 6x is greater than or equal to 23 minus 11. It was a positive 11, but when we send it over the inequality sign, it becomes negative 11. Next, we have 23 minus 11, and 23 minus 11 is 12. And so what we have here is negative 6x is greater than or equal to 12. Next, we divide both sides of the inequality by negative 6, and we cancel this negative 6 with this negative 6. And so we are left with x is less than or equal to 12 divided by negative 6. Now, what is 12 divided by negative 6? Well, 12 divided by negative 6 is negative 2. Notice that here we have greater than or equal to, but here we have less than or equal to. And the reason why we changed the sign is because we divided by a negative number. So every time you're dealing with inequalities and you're dividing both sides by a negative number, you have to change the inequality. And so that's why we have x is less than or equal to 12 divided by negative 6. Let me say 12 divided by negative 6, and that's negative 2. And so that means our answer here is x is less than or equal to negative 2. Now, they state here that they want us to graph our solution for A on a directed number line. And so here we have our number line. We're going to zero in on negative 2. And we're going to put a circle that is shaded on top of negative 2. Now, the reason why we have a shaded circle is because we have the line underneath. And the line underneath tells us that we have to shade the circle. It tells us that negative 2 is included in the solution set. And so the circle must be shaded. Now, it says that x is less than or equal to negative 2. So we have to look for numbers that are less than negative 2, and that would be to the left. So these numbers, negative 3, negative 4, negative 10, and so on, these are the numbers that are less than negative 2. And so we have our arrow going to the left. And so that's our answer. So the answer to part A and B is shown on the screen, and that's our answer to this question.